Hello and welcome to my channel, A&A Snakes and More. My other house channel, A&A Snakes and Stuff. And for more videos like this, please watch my youngest son's channel, Henny's Toys and Games, or my oldest son's channel, Little Chris 10. Today we're going to be talking about Saw X, so let's dive in. Jigsaw is back in Kevin Gartlett's Saw X on September 29th. A sequel to the original Saw movie that will be getting an enormous release in 4DX theaters. What is 4DX, you ask? 4DX is a premium format that allows films to be projected with various practical effects like rain, wind, strobe lighting, and motion seats. The goal is to fully immerse the audience in the movie, and the effects allow for recreations of various effects seen on screen. Be a part of Jigsaw's legacy in 4DX on September 29th, and check out the official 4DX poster below, which cleverly assembles the visual of Billy Puppet out of a pile of human bones. Lionsgate teases the return of Turbine Bell to the franchise, furthers Lionsgate's and Twisted Pictures' goal of a film that captures everything Saw fans love about the franchise, while also keeping them guessing with all new traps and a new mystery to solve. John Kramer, Turbine Bell is back for the untold chapter of Jigsaw's final games, set between the events of Saw 1 and 2. A sick and desperate John travels to Mexico for a risky and experimental medical procedure in hopes of a miracle cure for his cancer, only to discover the entire operation is a scam to defraud the most vulnerable. The infamous killer returns to his work, turning the tables on the con artist in his signature physical way through devious, deranged, and insidious traps. Shawnee Smith is back as Amanda Young in Saw X.
I'm going to look in the bathroom and then
Thank you for watching this video, and peace out till the next one.